Planning a full-service move in Hesperia, California. Let's walk through what to expect and how to get the most out of your move. Full-service moving in Hesperia means professionals handle everything: packing, loading, transport, and unloading. For a 2-3 bedroom home, expect costs between $1,100 and $2,800, depending on services and distance. Full-service movers in Hesperia typically offer packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading and unloading, transport to your new home, optional services like storage and vehicle shipping. These services save you time and reduce stress, especially for long-distance moves. Local moves within Hesperia are often completed same day. Long-distance deliveries average 3-7 days, depending on destination and load size. Several factors influence moving costs: distance. Longer moves cost more home size. Larger homes require more time and resources. Services. Additional services like packing and storage increase costs. Timing. Peak seasons may have higher rates. Always request a detailed quote to understand all potential charges. Hiring professional movers in Hesperia ensures experienced and trained staff, proper equipment for safe transport, insurance coverage for your belongings, efficient and timely service. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially for long-distance moves.